When traveling abroad, a little preparation can go a long way. Here's your quick guide on how to use your GlobalPay Forex Card, along with some essential do's and don'ts for a smooth and worry-free journey. You can also easily add and manage your card directly through the GlobalPay app by following a few simple steps. Step 1. Download the GlobalPay app from App Store or Play Store. Step 2. Tap Login or Register Now and complete the process with your mobile number or email and OTP. Step 3. Select your card type, multi-currency. Step 4. Enter KIT number and DOB, then verify with OTP. Once linked, set your card PIN, preferences and limits. Let's start with the do's. First, download the GlobalPay app and link your Forex card using your mobile number or PAN number. Always check your card balance after every transaction. It's a smart way to track your expenses and manage your travel funds efficiently. Before using your card for contactless payments or online transactions, make sure to enable contactless and e-commerce preferences under the Manage Cards section in GlobalPay app. If you ever suspect unauthorized activity, lock your card immediately through the app to prevent misuse. Then, raise a service request via the support section or email us at customersupport@wsfxglobalpay.com. Before your trip, change your card PIN through the app, a simple step that ensures your card is ready for secure transactions. Also, check your card's expiry date before traveling to avoid any inconvenience. Now, the don'ts. Never share your card or PIN with anyone, not even hotel staff or travel agents. Avoid using your card for pre-authorization at hotels during check-in. These transactions can take up to 30 days to reverse, keeping your funds blocked unnecessarily. Steer clear of merchant outlets that use dynamic currency conversion, DCC. Always choose to pay in the local currency of your destination. Do not use your card in a different currency from the one loaded on it, as this can lead to additional charges and exchange complications. Once you're back home, disable all card preferences through the GlobalPay app to ensure your card's security. Travel smart, stay secure. Enjoy the seamless experience of the Forex Card and app. Download GlobalPay now from the App Store and Play Store.